Good afternoon everyone, Jack of Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2000 Bluebird TC2000. It's a 72 passenger. This is 72. Moving on this, let's check it out on the inside. So first thing first, diagnosing. Gravel could come in. This is a 72 passenger with a rear FE front engine school bus. No ups and turns, anything guys like that. We got miles around 1777635 miles. So this is have a buffer. You got the common controls here. You got the dumb lights here. TC2000. Got the fans. Automatic transmission. And yeah, let's check on the back. So this is a 72 passenger. 72. Let's see, we got the emergency exit door on the window. In the back of holdings, we got the speakers that can be in the I/O. Emergency roof house at top. And that'll pretty much do it for the inside. Let's check on the outside. Alright, so tires on this. Tires around 15 to 20 seconds. Lip right here underneath. Alright, so look at the tire here. On full storage. It's this way. Alright, so this is powered for Cummins. ISB 5.9-liter turbo diesel engine. 1,000 PTS automatic transmission. Alright. Look at this. So we got the rear driver's side doors. Emergency door here. And last but not least, we have a front driver's side tire. Well, thank you guys for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tool. If you like this bus, so anything about to call out, say 1-800-231-6099. Visit nwbus.com or more e-sales and bus.com. Thanks for watching.